Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KAVA. Few days back, I shared this triangle with you, which KAVA broke out, and now it is having some correction. Now I'm expecting that within few hours, it can start a reversal move after this correction. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, let me show you this chart that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 25th of December, when the price line of KAVA completed this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And we were also having a very strong support of the weekly 100 simple moving average as well. And our sell targets as per this Gartley move are from $5.98 and goes to $8.09. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied up to $5.82 so far, and this move is still due to hit this sell zone. And I'm expecting that soon the price line can even cross this sell zone as well. Now let's move to the weekly time frame. Then here we can see that the price line found this resistance here and a long-term support of the symmetrical triangle. If we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that the price line was struggling again and again to break out this resistance since August 2021. And now here at the start of the January 2021, the price line broke it out, retested the triangle, and now it is likely to move up from here. And here we also have a 200 daily simple moving average resistance, and from here the price line is rejected. Now we can also see that the price line has also found a support on this daily time frame chart. Here we have a very nice support, and here we also have the resistance, and this is the formation of an up channel, and the price line was also rejected by the resistance of this up channel, while it was rejected by this 200 daily simple moving average as well. And as soon we are reached here at the support of this channel, the bears are weak at this level, and you can see that now we are having a weak bearish candlestick flashed here at the support. That is indicating that we can expect a reversal move from here. Now if the price line moves here at this resistance back, then it can be up to $6.11 move. But I'm expecting that this time, after this breakout from this triangle, the price line can set a new all-time high, because you can see during every rally the price line is setting a higher than previous high. And for example, if the price line reaches here, then it will be approximately at $15 to $16. It depends where it will hit this resistance. So this was the update for today on KAVA. If you like the analysis, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.